Hey everybody, Massachusetts Prepper here. Well, if you look behind me, you see all kind of stuff in my driveway. Well, we're getting ready to do some restoration work. Got some guys, they've been in here cutting up my pavement today. We're having this chunk taken out. Gonna be getting everything done all the way down there to the other end. You can see we got an excavator out there. These guys are gonna be putting in some new pavement here. I've got a little bit of a problem down there where I'm trying to get vehicles in and out. They scrub really bad. And here comes the guy that's gonna tear some stuff up for us. Well, now I know why I had some buckling in my driveway. We got a spot right there that you can see where they overpoured concrete and poured it all down through here on the outside edge, which caused my driveway to buckle. So that was part of my problem. Mrs. MP coming out to survey the destruction of the driveway. Yep, white truck rear-ended the van.
By its foundation, we're going to try to saw cut it down a little more.
Yeah, we got a small issue with the foundation sticking out, so they're gonna see if they can cut that back a little bit and see what's going on with it. Maybe we can cut it back because that's causing a huge frost heave in the wintertime with the driveway. It may be a situation where we can't do anything with it. I'm hoping we can. Poor guys are eating that concrete dust like crazy. Good thing breathing is overrated. First layer, and they've got a top coat that goes on top of this to finish it out. So They're going to try to get it done today. And then I'll be revealing what's over there. Well,
all right, the film guy's got to get wet too.
Oh yeah. The film guy ain't worried about getting wet, it's just the camera. Well, they said it was going to rain about 3 o'clock, and it did. We're a little after 3 right now, and it started raining. At least they got the bottom coat down and got started on the top coat before it started raining. So that's a good thing. Now they're working on the most important part of the driveway. This piece right here, where every car that comes into the driveway scrubs so bad it's unreal.